guys, I'm Martin from Netpreneur, and today we'll be looking at how to watermark an image online for free. This tutorial is pretty simple and easy to understand, and I'll do my best to make it very brief and straight to the point. For demonstration purposes, I will be using a free online photo watermark platform called Watermark to show you how it's done. And actually, there are lots of free online image watermark platforms, but I prefer Watermark due to its cool features and ease of use. So I need you to just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and watch how it's done. Like I said earlier, I'll be using a free online watermark platform called watermarking.com. So you need to visit this URL on your browser to start with. And let's visit that URL. Like I said, tap and wait for it to load up. Awesome. So our platform has loaded up, and to start watermarking our images, I just click on this button, start watermarking free. Awesome. So I'm going to select a photo or photographs, as the case may be, to watermark. So for demonstration purposes, I'll use just one. So I click on select photos to watermark, and let's use this one, standard light book template. Awesome. So our image has loaded up, and the next thing we have to do is to choose the kind of watermark we want on this image. Now I have options of using text or logo, and I'm going to use both of them to show you what it looks like. So I'll click on logo first, and I'll wait for search for an image to use as the logo. Awesome. So as you can see, our logo watermark has popped up and it's live on screen, and I have the options of reducing the opacity or leaving it at 100%, and also increasing its size. If I want to increase its size, I just need to drag the sides from the left, right, top, the bottom, or I just leave it the way it is. So I click on save for the change to effect. Now I can also go back to editing and add a text watermark. So I click on text, and I have options of choosing the exact text I want to use for the watermark. So I just say free watermark, and like it was done on the logo, I can also change the opacity, like reduce it to make it lighter or leave it as it is. And I can also change the font, so I use impact for this, and I can also change the size as well. So let's reduce it a bit, and the text color. Perfect. So this is how you can watermark your image online for free by using this free online watermark platform called Watermark. So I'm done with watermarking this image, and I proceed to click on save. So when I click on save, it prompts me to name my template, and I just have to change the name to watermarked image, and I click on download. So our image has been downloaded, and let's check out what it looks like. Perfect. As you can see, our watermarked image is ready for use. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate your subscription to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share on your social media platforms, and also stay tuned for more educative and incisive tutorials. Bye for now. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.